your wheel was about a millimeter away from clipping that arm.
Like, yeah.
Obviously, there's no, because you had your window up, and I was like,
no way. It's over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, we're back. We're back to modifying cars and putting parts on stuff. Finally, it's been a billion years. The comments about when's the wing piece going on, when's the wing this and that is over. We have all the pieces here, and we are ready to throw it on the car. And this is gonna be like the last piece that goes on the car before we start the wrap. It's been 1,000 years. Also, we're gonna have a lisp counter on this video and every other video here on out because I got plastic on my teeth now. So I think the way we're gonna start this out, I think we're just gonna start by putting the wing together and just getting all the pieces set up. This wing piece was not painted by me. That's why it took so long. I was expecting for this to be done like a really long time ago, but I guess it wasn't exactly on the list of priorities for that dude. She's a wee bit bubbly. But also on the bottom, you got some blue, you know, just like scattered here and there.
Makes me proud of what we did.
Yeah, dude, look at these. These are dope as fuck. You can kind of see right there. It's
still gonna look good.
Yeah, it's all right.
It's not a problem.
From far away, she will do. So I think that's where we're gonna start for today. We're just gonna put it together, and we're probably gonna, actually, dude, I totally forgot. We have to take my wing off.
Yeah.
Of the car. And you know what? I think I might have to just like clean the underside of this because I think it's gonna just sit from here all the way over to here. It's gonna have that be replaced by this piece right here. And then we've got the floating carbon wing. It's gonna sit in between there. And we have all the hardware here for the wing. And it actually comes with some insulation pieces that is gonna go in between. I'd assume would go in between the wing and the car so that it doesn't like rattle around and make stupid shaky noises. So yeah, we've got all our hardware for the wing. Got the buttresses, if you will.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Fancy
You like
word.
that architectural term there?
The buttresses.
The flying buttresses that will hold the floating carbon piece. I just got a little fancy on you guys for a second. All right, this brake light is actually gonna have to be removed, and we're gonna have to route everything into this piece here because this is a full replacement piece for that whole like wing section.
We're gonna have to pre-drill the holes in here too.
Oh yeah.
For this hardware.
Yeah.
That's
so you guys are in for a lot of prep work today. So we are putting the wing on the car, obviously, but it looks like we're gonna have to do some drilling to this thing, but it's all good. Let's pull off my old wing. You guys need one of these. The 90-degree like impact thingy. So good. I'll lift off. There we go.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we gotta undo the wires.
Do you want to pull the hatch down?
Yeah. Yep. Watch the glass actually.
Yeah.
I think we just. All right, so there's our tail light and everything, and now our wing. All right, so also, I think we've decided with the wing being black and everything, we're gonna keep the contrast by taking off this tint that we put on here a long time ago, because I feel like that white like contrast would look super cool with the black wing. So no more tint. What? Oh, it's still in here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Okay. Where am I gonna keep this old wing?
There's, dude,
Without it being damaged.
I know, that's what I'm thinking about, because I'm gonna have one too. We should hang up both of them in the garage on the wall.
Yeah, dude. I forgot about this. Nate saw how cool my carbon fiber wing was, and he's like, I'm gonna get one for myself. No, I'm just kidding. He wanted a carbon fiber wing for his car too, and performance, like an actual OEM carbon fiber wing. And the full wing is carbon fiber. It's not like mine where like just the piece of it is. His entire wing is carbon. Is that coming here? Is that coming in?
Who knows, probably like 3-4 weeks maybe. It's coming from Korea, so it has to get to my friend's place, and then he's shipping it over here. So yeah, it'll be a little bit.
Yeah, and to everybody who asks how Nate gets all these like cool Korean things, that's how. He knows somebody in Korea who can get like parts for him and stuff, which is super baller, huge flex, because everybody asks how the heck you get it, so that's how. Nate might be able to hook you up if you ask him nicely.
Very nicely.
Yeah. Dang, okay. That was actually way easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, that went really smooth.
That's pretty sick. Swing. This was like one of my first videos ever that I ever did too. See all these little wing riser pieces on here. Also, for those asking, I got these from MA Performance. I don't know what brand they are, but that's the website I got them off of. Oh, hey, this makes a lot of sense seeing that weather stripping in the hardware kit. Look at the wing. See where the weather stripping is that goes up the wing?
Easy enough.
Yeah,
All right,
I think
dude.
we got to copy that on our wing.
Yeah, that's easy.
First, we're gonna drill out this piece here. So I'm just gonna grab this, and we have to drill out the spot where the OEM taillight and all the windshield wiper crap's gonna fit. Right there and there. Don't you have to drill them smaller than this, right?
Yep. So I got you a nice small pilot drill bit.
Gotcha. Okay. Oh, dude, that's sick. Look at that, dude. That's freaking nice. With that white contrast, though. Dude,
Dude,
that's
that looks
sick.
good.
Look at how freaking good this looks.
That's the move right there. So like black with the blue, but then the white with the black. Yeah.
Look at that.
The fitment on that is perfect. So
Yeah,
this is
dude.
pretty well made.
That's freaking nice. We got to put the weather stripping on the bottom of it, right? Why don't we get that boring crap out of the way first, and then we'll do the fun stuff. I think there's, yeah, that's as tight as I can get mine right there.
Yeah. Mine feels like a little wobbly, but yeah, it's like that.
I think it's, yeah, no, it's, I mean, it's one screw into plastic. Oh, it's perfect. You probably don't want plastic being attached without any sort of like weather stripping or protection onto a painted piece. Even though it's going to be covered, it's still just like a good idea to have something protecting it there so you don't just absolutely like wreck your semi-nice painted wing piece like this. We've met the end of our ration pieces of weather stripping. So we put 2 in between where those holes are there, just to make sure that it you know, rubs on it as little as possible. Then we put 1 right near this hole, and then did the exact same thing on the other side. Oh, actually, yours are different than mine, but same thing.
You did yours lengthwise?
Yeah.
Hot dog?
Yeah,
I did
dude.
hamburger?
I guess we're just gonna have to put the wing together, and we're gonna have to put the carbon piece in it. Oh my god, every time I hold it. Sheesh, dude. I love carbon fiber. Whoever first decided to put carbon fiber on cars is like a genius. I understand it's probably because it was lighter and not because it looks really cool, but like, man, it looks so cool. All right, now, all right, I'm gonna hold it right here. All right, here we go. Still good?
Yep. You go all the way up?
Yeah, all right, I'm holding it on the other side now.
Yeah, I guess just get one on either end to start.
Yeah, all right, that one's, we'll hold it up. Yeah, that's enough. All right. Okay, all the hardware is on. The wing is secured. So we have our hardware holding it in here, all the way in here. Oh, I just got like grease on it. All right, close it. Damn, bro, look at the carbon. Oh my god, dude, that is nasty. All right. That is so much cooler. All right, we're definitely gonna have to wrap this little piece right here, but
it looks weird in the blue.
damn, dude. At home, Bondo and paint. Oh my god, dude, this looks nasty. Oh, dude, the back looks so much cooler. Can you go hit the brake? I want to see if it comes on. Make sure we wired it correctly. You might have to, yeah. Oh, damn, dude. Dude, that is nasty. That is so nasty. Dude, all right, you gotta see it here. I wanna hit the brakes for you. It looks so cool. All right, are you ready?
Hit it. Oh, dude. That looks insane.
Freaking sick. I like the white. I like
Yeah.
the white with the brake.
Dude, that's nasty.
Dude, she's pretty sick. She's pretty sick. I guess we gotta clean this up a little bit because there's fingerprints all over it. But once we clean it up, I'll get some shots. I think actually today, I really want to just put a piece of wrap over that blue piece just to complete the black. All right, we're gonna clean it up, put a piece of wrap down, and then she's gonna be completely done. So it's the next day, and you guys remember how I put the sticker on my camera saying not to forget to turn my mic on? Well, guess what? I filmed the entire last part of this video without a microphone. So I'm using my GoPro. Sorry if this looks and sounds a little bit different, but I just wanted to show you guys how awesome the wing came out. This is the finished wing. It all came out so nice, and you guys just saw us put this piece of wrap on, which actually came out super nice. It matches with the wing piece really well, and that carbon just looks so good. And the reason why this is like the last piece that I was waiting on in order to do the wrap, it also kind of ties into me wanting to do like stickers for you guys, because I really want to remember this car like at its prime and what I imagined it to be like in my head the first day that I got the car. And that's ultimately the goal that we've been working up to, is to make this car look exactly like how I saw it in my head. And we're so close. I just need to pick the wrap colors, which, like I said in the video, it's up on my Instagram story if you want to check it out right now. But yeah, that's gonna be the video today, guys. We finally got the freaking wing done. And now with that, we can finally start the wrap on the car. So this car is gonna go away for a little bit. We'll most likely see a lot more of Nate's Veloster. The next thing we do to this car is gonna be wrap. Or taillights, actually, if I find some that I like. So I just want to say, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because it really helps me out to grow the channel. So with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Later.